First, wash the moong dal well under running water. Then, soak it in water for 3 to 4 hours. Finally, drain the water completely before using. Now, blend the soaked dal with fresh ginger and green chili. Add the cumin, turmeric, salt, and a little water. Blend until the batter is smooth and thick. It should be perfectly spreadable. To make the filling, start with fresh crumbled paneer. Add finely chopped onions and fresh coriander. Season with black pepper, salt, juice. Mix everything well and set it aside. Heat a non-stick pan and lightly grease it with ghee. Pour a ladle of batter in the center and spread it. Drizzle some oil around the edges. Cook until the base is golden. It will become nice and crisp. Flip the chilla. Cook for 1 minute. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the paneer filling to 1/2. Fold the chilla over the filling. Cook for another 30 to 60 seconds until crisp. Serve your moong dal chilla hot with a side of refreshing mint coriander chutney, tomato ketchup, and thick yogurt. And don't forget a hot steaming cup of masala chai for the perfect meal.